Create YouTube videos in minutes, not hours. Step 1, find a video topic. I'm here at ChatGPT, which is a free tool, and I've asked it to come up with video ideas related to saving money in 2023. And here are the results that it's given us. Step 2, smash that subscribe button and let's find a clickable YouTube title. From here, I've picked 10 easy ways to save money in the new year, and I just asked it to create 10 clickable YouTube titles, and here's what it came up with. Step 3, now it's time to write a video script. I'm going to pick one of these clickable titles that I liked, and then I'm simply going to ask it to create a YouTube video outline, and I'm going to paste that right in there, and here are the results. Step 4, you're going to film and edit the video, but stick around to the end. You don't want to skip those last 2 steps, but let's get to editing. For editing, I'm really a fan of Capcut. It's just capcut.com, and I recommend that you download it for Mac or Windows. It has a little bit more functionality than just using it in the cloud. And for vertical videos, I've been using this as an app on my phone, and it has even more options. Step 5, let's write a description for that video the quick and easy way. Next, I'm going to ask it to write a YouTube description for, and I paste that in and click the button. It'll think, and there's our YouTube description. We simply take this and we copy it and paste it right into the YouTube description when we upload our video. If you like this video so far, at the end, check out the one above me. But step number 6, let's create that video thumbnail. I made a huge mistake in the beginning creating all of my thumbnails from scratch when all I needed to do was go to Canva, type in YouTube thumbnails, and I have a ton of different options. I have a bunch of different ways that I can sort them, but these are proven really nice YouTube thumbnails. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Also, check out one of these 2 videos to learn even more on how to make videos quick and easy.